n square minus 3n plus 2. So this is given by n minus 1 into n minus 2. This is given by n minus 1 into n minus 2. This is a prime number. This is a prime number. If it is a prime number, it can be written as 1 into p, or what is the next case? P into 1. A prime number will have only two distinct factors, 1 and itself. A prime number will have only two distinct factors, 1 and itself. So either it can take 1 into p, or it can take p into 1. So if n minus 1 is 1, n will become 2. So if n is 2, 2 square minus 3 into 2 plus 2. 4 plus 2, 6. 6 minus 6, 0. 0 is not a prime number. 0 is not a prime number. Prime number should be divisible by 1. If 0 is a prime number, any prime number 3 is divisible by 1. So the number should be greater than 1. This is not possible. n minus 2, if it is 1, n value will be 3. 3 square minus 3 into 3 plus 2. 9 cancel. 2 is a prime number. So for which value of n this expression is becoming a prime number? n equivalent to 3. Any prime number is a number which has got only two distinct factors. What are the two distinct factors? 1 and itself. What are the two distinct factors? 1 and itself. Same question. n square minus 14n plus 24. 14n plus 24. This is a prime number. If it is a prime number, same thing. If I condense this equation, n minus 12 into n minus 2. If it is a prime number, it will have only two factors, 1 and p, or p and 1. 1 and p, or p and 1. I hope the idea it is clear. Same logic like this. So if it is n minus 2, 1, n value 3, 3 square minus 14 into 3 plus 24. 24 plus 9, 33. 33 minus 42. Negative. Not possible. Second case, not possible. n is 13. 13 square minus 14 into 13 plus 21. 169. 190 minus 13. 182. 182. 182, it is 8. I hope the idea it is clear. Write the equation as a product of two factors. So n minus 12 into n minus 2. n minus 12, if it takes 1, n will be 13. 13 square plus 24. Okay, sorry. Plus 24 it is. I took 21. 24. Please take 24. 169 plus 24, which is 193, minus 182, which is 11. 11 is a prime number. I hope it is clear. Idea it is clear. Very simple concept based questions only will be there. The only thing is you should know how to use it. A prime number is a number which has got only two distinct factors, 1 and itself. This is for a quadratic. These for a quadratic. What are the other two questions? n cube. Other two questions will be n cube minus 8n square. Very good question, sir. Plus 20n minus 13. I made quadratic into a cubic. This is a prime number. n cube minus 8n square plus 20n minus 13. It is a prime number. How many values n will take such that this equation is satisfied? Such that this equation is satisfied. What is the other question? X comma y comma x minus y comma x plus y. All these four values are prime numbers. All these four values are prime numbers. All these four values are prime numbers. Now listen carefully. These two are very good questions. LOD level 2. Now see. n cube minus 8n square plus 20n minus 13. If you observe the coefficients, 1 minus 8 minus 7. 20 minus 7, 13. 13 minus 13, 0. 0.1. Key points. Key points. If the sum of the coefficients in P of x, if it is equal to 0, that means n minus 1 is a factor of P of x. N minus 1 is a factor of P of x. N minus 1 is a factor of P of x. Point clear? Sum of the coefficients. Substitute n equivalent to 1. 1 minus 8 minus 7. 20 minus 7, 13. 13 minus 13, 0. If the sum of the coefficients in P of x, if it is equivalent to 0, n minus 1, it is a factor of P of x. How to find out the other factor? Very interesting concept. Synthetic division. Synthetic division. What is this synthetic division? A cube is divided by linear. It will help us in finding the quotient. How to do? Please see here. Coefficient of n cube 1. Coefficient of n square minus 8. Coefficient of n 20. Constant it is minus 13. Constant it is minus 13. It is divided by n minus 1. So n minus 1 equivalent to 0. N equivalent to 1. N equivalent to 1. Start with 0. Add this. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 ones are 1. Minus 8 plus 1, minus 7. Minus 7 ones are minus 7. 20 minus 7, 13. 13 ones are 13. Last one it is 0. If the last one it is 0, last one it is the remainder. If the remainder it is 0, that means n minus 1 it is a factor. Definitely it is a factor. So what is the remaining? Remaining it is, this value it is n minus 1 into n square minus 7n plus 13. N square minus 7n plus 13. If you observe, n into n square is n cube. N into minus 7n square minus n square minus 8n square. N into 13n plus 17n 20n minus 1 into plus 13 minus 13. Now you know how to solve. How to solve? A prime number can be written as 1 into p or p into 1. 1 into p or p into 1. Suppose if I take p into 1, n square minus 7n plus 13 equivalent to 1. N square minus 7n plus 12 is equivalent to 0. N equivalent to 3, 4. 3, 4. 3 if I substitute, I am doing this one. 3 minus 1, 2. Yes, 2 is a prime number. 4 minus 1, 3. So n equivalent to 3, 4. Suppose if I take this equation, n minus 1 is 1, n is 2. 2 square plus 13. 4 plus 13, 17. 17 minus 14. 17 minus 14, 3. Check it out if this is giving you a prime number. N is 2. 2 square 4. 14, 4 plus 13, 17. 17 minus 14, 3. If it is giving you the answer, substitute the answer. I hope the concept is clear. 3 questions I solved based on the model. Every prime number can be written as 1 into p or p into 1. If you are getting an answer, take that answer. If you are not getting the answer, omit that answer. X comma y comma x minus y comma x plus y are prime numbers. How many values xy will take? How many values xy will take? How many values xy will take? Very, very good questions. How many values xy will take? Xy will take. Now listen carefully. Listen very carefully, sir. X comma y comma x minus y x plus y. X and y are natural numbers. Can x and y even? It is possible. Even. Other than 2, there is no other even number which is prime. So it is not possible. X is odd, y is odd. All these are prime numbers. X is prime, y is prime, x minus y, even minus even it is prime, even plus even also it is prime. X is odd, y is odd. If x is odd, y is odd. Odd comma, odd minus odd even, odd plus odd even. Can there be two even numbers which are prime? Is it possible? It is not possible. So x, y, x minus, x even, y even, x odd, y odd, these two cases are not possible. Now if you see, x is even, y is odd. X is even, y is odd. If x is even, y is odd, if you observe this is x minus y is greater than 0, that means x is greater than y. What is the lowest even prime number? 2. What is the lowest prime number which is even? 2. Here I am saying even is greater than odd. Even cannot be greater than odd. In a prime number set, the lowest prime number which is even, it is 2. Every other number it is an odd number. So this case also it is eliminated. This case also it is eliminated. Both even out, both odd out, one even, one odd out. So what is the last case left? X is odd. X is an odd number and y is an even number. X is an odd number, y is an even number. X comma y comma x minus y comma x plus y, all are prime numbers. All are prime numbers. Y is an even number, so it is 2. X comma 2 comma x minus 2 comma x plus 2, all should be a prime number. All should be a prime numbers. What is the next? X minus 2 is greater than 0. X is greater than 2. So if I put x equivalent to 3, 3 comma 2 comma 1 comma 3 plus 2, 5. 1 is not a prime number. X is 3, not possible. X is 5. 5 comma 2 comma 5 minus 2, 3. 5 plus 2, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. It is a prime quadruple. 2, 3, 5, 7. It is a prime quadruple. Over. Any prime number greater than any prime number greater than 3, it is of the form 6k plus 1 or 6k minus 1. 6k plus 1 or 6k minus 1. Let us take a case. Beyond 5, every other number is of the form 6k plus 1 or 6k minus 1. If I take 6k plus 1, 6k plus 1, comma 2, 6k minus 1, comma 6k plus 3. Divisible by 3, divisible by 3. Answer is divisible by 3. 6k minus 1, 6k minus 1 comma 2, 6k minus 1 minus 2, 6k minus 3, comma 6k plus 1. Divisible by 3, divisible by 3. Answer will be divisible by 3. So no other cases possible. So how many cases possible? Only when x equivalent to 5 it is possible. Extremely important questions, very innovative questions, unique questions, questions you will not find it in any regular textbook. Thought-provoking questions, filtered questions, exam model questions, absolutely fresh questions. Some student asked me this question. Sir, question is, sir, 41 power 5 plus 41 power 4 plus 1, whether it is prime or composite. 41 power 5 plus 41 power 4 plus 1, is it prime or composite? This is the question. 41 power 5 plus 41 power 4 plus 1, prime or composite. How I solved this question is, instead of 41, let me keep a variable n. N power 5 plus n power 4 plus 1. So what is missing here? N cube is missing. N cube is missing. What is missing here? N square is missing. N square is missing. I am adding n square, subtracting n square. What is missing here? N is missing. Plus n minus n plus 1. Now if you see here, n cube, if I take common in this first, n square plus n plus 1. Am I right? N cube into n square plus n plus 1. Similarly, if I take common in this, minus n into n square plus n plus 1. Am I right? Finally, it is n square plus n plus 1. Are you all with me? So I took n cube common, n square plus n plus 1, minus n common, n square here, my plus n here, and plus 1. Now if you see, now if you observe carefully, this is n square plus n plus 1 into n cube minus n plus 1, n cube minus n plus 1. If you observe, n square into n cube is n power 5, minus n cube into n, which is n power 4, n cube into n power 4. Here it is n square into minus n cube plus n cube, that also got cancelled. These n square into 1 plus n square minus n square, that also got cancelled. 1 into n plus n minus it is cancelled. This should be either 1 into p or p into 1. 1 into p or p into 1. Just check it out. What is n here? N is a natural number. N is a natural number. N is a natural number. 1 into p. N square plus n plus 1. The minimum value n is 1. 1 plus 1 plus 1, 3. It cannot take 1 into p. If I take this value, n cube minus n plus 1, if it is 1, that means n will become 0. Question is n is a natural number. So, is any question which is of the form n power 5 plus n power 4 plus 1, is it prime? It is a composite number. Answer for this question is composite. Any question which is of the form n power 5 plus n power 4 plus 1, answer is always composite. Very unique, new updated questions, which probably you will not see it in any YouTube channel. What we did in concept video 7, we understood that product of three integers can also give a prime number. We understood that prime number is a natural number which has got only two distinct factors, 1 and itself. Ordered pair, it can be written as 1 into p and p into 1. And we did how to get the value of n for a quadratic expression, how to get the value of n for a cubic expression, synthetic division, and a very advanced LOD question number 3. I hope you enjoyed this concept based video.